Alright, let's trading again today. No other news today. Looking for longs today. Really bullish. CPI released today. It did trade lower, taking out all the people that were still long. I would say have their stops raised to what is this? PM session low of the previous day. Yeah, so it took all those people out, and we are trading back into a singular busy, which is the 2-hour, singular 2-hour on NQ, and a singular 4-hour on ES, or no? Singular 6-hour on ES. Low hanging fruit would be all these highs up here, so we have all these clean highs here, which is also previous day high. So that's going to be my drawn liquidity, and yeah, just looking for longs today. So yeah, you have not informed yet. No inversion, nothing here. ICT, man, he's funny guy. Yeah, pretty choppy still. Yo, Mono Bush, what's up, man? How are you doing? Yo, Mr. Nobody, what's your bias? I'm bullish today. My drawn liquidity is these RDs equalize up here, which is also previous day high. Trade back into a singular busy. I do want to see longs from here, somewhere here, if the setup forms. How are you guys doing? You guys trading today? Looks pretty choppy still, so I'll probably wait until 10 a.m. opening. Or we suddenly get way better volume. What's your bias, Mr. Nobody? I'm looking for silver bullet. Nice, man, nice. Yeah, it looks really good still, but the price action is pretty choppy here, so maybe we can accumulate more here, and then 10 a.m. opening is gonna put the low in, take out lows somewhere here, maybe yes takes out these lows. Have like a small power of 3 there. Great, bro. It was a mad busy day at work, had a beautiful trade on. As I check it on my phone, I pressed the wrong button, no way, and closed, no way, I closed my, would have hit TP perfectly too. Oh man. That's really unfortunate. That happens sometimes, like those crazy accidental trades, or like put in a trade on accidentally as well. But if you're tilted, then remember to just not trade today, or just this AM session. If you're tilted, if you're mad, if you think about making it back. If not, if that really doesn't affect your emotions right now, if you have no emotions with that trade, then probably go trade this AM session too. But if you feel something of tilt, then just skip it, man. Just skip the session. But yeah, really annoying. I think everyone had that at least once. At least once. Ah, crazy, man. You guys are in the Discord, right? You guys can share your analysis in there as well, right? I've stepped away, bro. Got very emotional. Yeah, after, especially with it being stressful at my job. Yeah, long day at the job, stressful at the job. Yeah, man. There's always tomorrow. Of course, man. Nice. Nice, man. That's like I think everything happens for a reason. Think that it happened for a reason. Like that happened to you. Like you had a stressful day at work. You had a trade that would have hit TP. You accidentally closed it. Like that was for a reason, to test you how strong you are. Just to test how strong your psychology is. See it as a lesson. And yeah, you're saying now I'm stepping away, so that just proves to yourself that you have a strong psychology, man. Took a short of the 50-minute FEG London stop above previous day high and TP. Daily equilibrium. Perfect, 1 and 2. Never a loss, always a lesson, my bro. Always, yeah, man. Facts. Were you planning on hitting or holding true CPI as well? Or yeah, that was your TP. Wait, you guys can type in the channels, right? On the Discord. I hope. Let me log in. Let's see. Okay. That is good. Okay, yeah, I can talk in there. Nice. Okay, it works well. Yeah, man, it was risk on, but overall bias was telling me 100% targets for our FG. Nice, man. Okay. If all your rules tell you, then yeah. Welcome, amigos. Yeah, nothing here. You had a success with funders over the past, bro, or still yet to be? No, still yet to be, man. The closest I came with a funded is 2.5k. And that was 1% more. And then passed. That would have been passed, and then yeah, totally blew the account. Okay, I do like that we trade lower now. It's beautiful. Did you, Mono? 15-minute breaker before the drop. I think displays above it will take us to those equal highs. Ooh, yeah. Probably the same for me. Let's put standard deviation on. Oh, we're all nice standard deviation still. Same, yeah, I think the same there. You get there in no time with this work ethic. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh, we did take all these lows now. I'm on my first 50k at the moment. Nice, man. How's it going? We do have an SMT. If we do inverse, well, we're crazy, crazy Sibby. Crazy drop lower. Now I think the standard deviation does match. Yeah. Oh wait, what? What the hell is this? Oh no, still no. I'm gonna wait. I'm not bearish. If it wanna go down, it will leave without me. Yeah, for me the same thing. If it wouldn't, like I've seen many, like I've seen so much crazy price action, like wouldn't even surprise me, like wouldn't feel a thing if we just from here, this will be the high and we drop all the way lower to, I don't even know, like the rest of the week we'll go lower to Wednesday, Tuesday low here again. If it goes, then yeah, not interested. I would look for shorts if we close below on this on a 2 hour, and then ES also has to close below this as well, and then this would be the first target, and then probably the lows there, but NQ will probably have taken it then. I'm gonna build the account though. I have a good paying job, so don't need the funds, you know, just want to build and cover myself to invest back into 150k. I was 6% up on the account, back to 3% at the minute Oh, that's good, man. Like 150k. What are you trading? CFDs? If you're up 6%, then I think you're trading forex prop firms, right? What's up, Flint? How you doing? You trading today? What time is this? 9:50. If we do inverse, that'd be a trade, but we do have a really big SIB here. It's all the way up in premium as well. But yeah, if we do inverse, then that would be a trade. 50k TopstepX. X funded. What do you mean? Or TopstepX funded, lol. 50k TopstepX funded. Nice, man. Well, if you were up 6% on the account, then you would have passed. So what do you mean with the myself into 150k? Oh, it's defunded already. Oh, wow. Where, bro, that's crazy. Like, what is your target for the combine or funded? I mean, yeah, no setup for me as well. If we do inverse, but break even will be really tight though. Like, what is your target? When do you want to take a payout? Literally on your first account, you literally passed it. That's crazy. Or your first funded, you mean? Oh yeah, your first 50k funded. Okay. Yeah, target for withdrawal. Yeah. Yes, it's looking more bullish. What? Yes, took these equal lows. This would have been my setup, but I don't trade ES. Break even at this high. Create 4k buffer on the account, and I want at least 3k payout, so at least 8k balance before I pay out. Okay, nice, man. Wow, crazy. Nice, man. What was your risk on the combines? And what's your risk now on the what is it, on the fundeds? As I said, I'm in a successful career. Trading can take as long as it needs for me at the moment. Nice, man. You set yourself up for success, man. Other way around. Yes, looks more bullish. Crazy. Oh, bro, wow. Literally forgot you were Marcus because of your mono bush. I know I've seen you before. I didn't know you were Marcus, of course. Are you as my RR and my monetary risk on the account? Yeah. What's your risk on the combines, and what's your risk on the funded? Like your risk percentage. Didn't even close above this. I don't think it's gonna be a trade for me. Yeah, that's break even. I have to wait for a lot more structure now. Mr. Nobody said it, right? Yeah. Here we now have the breaker. You have the low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Let's put a standard deviation on this. Nothing, but still buys bullish. 0.5, 1.5%, and it's variable. Way too many things for me to take into consideration than just setting fixed rate. Oh, okay. Nice, man. Well, it is working for you, so wow, crazy. But you're not trading today? Oh yeah, of course. You stepped away, of course. I don't trade fixed RR or fixed risk. Yeah, I don't trade fixed RR either. But I do trade fixed risk, like around the same. Can vary based on how good the setup is, how long I want to be in the trade, how much. Oh yeah, okay. Nice, man. And like, how many losses do you take a day, or how many wins do you take a day, or that can also vary? I found when I used to trade fixed 2RR and a fixed 1%, I just wouldn't see consistency. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's true. Like in some setups, you can be more confident at the other one. One more minute for the 10 a.m. candle opening. Worst case scenario, I'm taking 4 to 5 trades. Best case is 1 trade a day. I may not always enter on that day though, as you know. Yeah. All right. Oh, let's mark out the 10 a.m. candle. I'm probably taking 5 trades once. Most of the time it's 2. Oh, nice, man. So that varies a lot as well. What would your buys be, Marcus? For today. Yo, Waries, what's up, man? What's up? How you doing? And my win rate varies 60 to 70% depending on the month. As we know, win rate never remains the same. That's true. October is great though. Not looking forward to December and January. Yeah, the same for me. December, like I had great results, but I know that December and August are like the most worst months. Like I've seen some crazy price action in December and August. Like literally have like, can I get like an example? Like literally maybe create like equalize here, then trade all the way lower, then maybe trade to these lows and then go all the way higher. Like I've seen some really crazy price action. Maybe not on the 4 hour, but like on the, I don't know, on like a 50-minute or something. Yeah, crazy price action sometimes. So not looking forward to it, but yeah, it will be probably a good lesson. What's your backtest? Yeah, I'm great when a backtest together. Yeah, I really like the idea, like honestly, but I don't think it's really gonna work well if you backtest together. Like the actual, like how do you say it? The actual how do I say it? Like the time that I'm actually doing something, like that would decrease, I would say. And also, yeah, it's of course your strategy is probably different than mine. Like, but yeah, maybe sometime in the Discord, like if people wanna watch or join, like it's almost the same as YouTube, of course, but like in a Discord, backtest there, and then just talk there with everyone. That would be a pretty cool idea as well. Like maybe in the future, maybe in the future you could honestly do that, and then backtest together. If you're going higher, I'd like to see us close above the highs after we fill to 4 hour. I'd like to see it close above the highs or the highs after we fill to 4 hour, like on a 50 minutes. However, at the time I can go either way. CPI took out Asia sessions high, so right now I can go either way. Okay, just want to wait for a higher time frame candle close to decide structure. But with CPI, don't trade. I think it's fine to trade after the CPI release. Like I think today is gonna be a really clean or really clean. It's not really clean, but I think today is gonna be a good price action. And I'm seeing now that there isn't good price action, and also my setup isn't here, so I'm not trading. But if we do get a lot better volume, more structure, then yeah, to me it would be a great trade. But yeah, it looks pretty choppy now though. I do see that we have like these equal lows here, same on the S. I'm still bullish, so maybe generate these lows, step into these lows, and then have like a CB here. That would be really good, and then I can actually look for longs. Because you have an imbalance here as well. But Mark, you said closure above on the highs, like on what time frame? Or just on the 1 minutes? CPI is too wiki. We rarely create valid market structure after. I've seen some great price action at CPI. I love CPI days, honestly. But yeah, now the session is pretty bad though. But if you do get more volume, then it's okay. If you do chop around a lot more, like literally say in this range here, then I'm skipping the whole AM session. 50 minutes probably best, but again we're in bearish FEGs and still not at an energetic move of the 4 hour, so honestly right now I'm clueless. Okay, yeah, that's true though. In that, what are we? 4, 5 on NQ, and ES already tapped this 5 minutes. Yeah, at least if we are going higher, then it's totally fine. But I at least need to see manipulation lower before we go higher. So that would be these lows. Like, yeah, we break the whole of the 4 hour, but we haven't seen any convincing market structure shift on the 15-minute, for example. That's true, yeah. Yeah, it's just waiting now for me. 3-minute 839 FG can be your IFEG? No. Because I would look at if I'm bullish, a swing high to a swing low. This is my fractal leg. So this is an IFEG, but we have another one here, like a really small one. 4-minute, same thing. And then 5-minute, this can be, if I do miss an entry here, and this can be an entry for me. I'd say we're going for previous day high. My daily bias was retrace 50% off previous day candle. Oh, nice. Then continue to take highs on NASDAQ. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I want to see, I really want to see what we do with these lows. Hopefully we create a SIBI there. If we chop around there, then that's probably nothing for me, but I don't like this wick because the probability of a SIBI there would be way lower. Okay, it's nothing there. But CPI taking the whole of Asia session, liquidity has threw me off a little. I'm going to be doing some heavy backtesting just around major news events over the next few weeks, so we'll see what I find. Okay, nice, man, yeah. Yeah, for me, it's still bullish prices. Like, if the sell forms, I'm looking for longs. Yes, trading in a breaker. If it trade above it, NQ will be nice to enter. From where on NQ? Yeah, if we just bump higher now, then it's totally fine, but no trade for me. But yeah, I do like that we just went lower here, didn't take out the lows again, and now create another low there, or generate this low. How long have you been trading now? Consistently charts every day. I would say like since the beginning. I've been on the charts every day since then. 1 year and 4 months. You doing day 58 today? Yes, man. Yes, sir. 85, what did I say? 85? I mean 58. I've been doing it 4 years, but I'd say the last 2 is 100% serious. Nice, man. Like, how was the first 2 years then? Was it like a different strategy, or? You don't really have to give a lot of attention to Asian. I can trade in regular trading hours with no problem. Regular trading hours for me. Would be like the same probably for me as well. Take this 1 hour. We are respecting the 1 hour here. Yes, also respecting singular FEG still. Yeah, it looks great still. Also on regular trading hours. First 2 years was moving average. I'm actually really lucky, I would say. I didn't stick too long on that like first month, I would say, or maybe 2 months. I think I did it like 1 month maybe. I focused on support and resistance. Indicator trading, trying to turn 500 into 15k. Yeah, honestly, I came into trading and I honestly don't know what my plan was, but I came into trading like fully into it, but I had no idea how am I going to turn the small capital into a big capital. I didn't even know about prop firms then. Like I came into it not knowing about prop firms. Like I didn't even think about it, but was I gonna flip $1,000 into 15k as well? But yeah, pretty lucky that we have prop firms that we can use. Or like lucky, we're honestly blessed. Okay, so again we are trading higher. To me, like it would make the most sense for me if drawn liquidity is very clear, but everyone that went long here, they now have their trade stop losses below here because it's like resistance. Fake resistance, or yeah, resistance. So they have their stop losses below here. And then now this is going to be a fake move higher, and then we actually go lower, take out the lows, and then actually go. You would have to show me, bro, open-minded. Or like the Reading trading hours. Where are you from? I'm from the UK. I'm from the Netherlands, man. I thought you were from Australia. I don't know why, but maybe because of the profile picture. I honestly don't know why, but I thought Australia. Don't know where that came from. Yeah, let's see what we do. Still pretty boring, but that's trading. That's thought you were American, bro. That's a compliment, I would say. Like I think I have the most, not the most, but I really have a Dutch accent. Like my English isn't that good. Thanks for the compliment. Lol, you new or something? No, it's what? It's getting pretty dark here already. I think this guy's already long. Alright, this guy, I'm in a Discord and this guy keeps on sharing this. Wait, let me look at the charts. Yeah, nothing, okay. I'm gonna make it make sense here. So 8:30 opening. Honestly, don't know. Maybe I'm stupid, or 8:30. Let's say we're bullish. 8:30 prints the low, retracement expansion, or did they give context? I honestly don't know. New to his streams or trading? Okay, if we are going lower to these lows, I would say that would be now. Yes, close below. You have an SMT at the highs now. If we do want to take out some liquidity before we're going higher, but if we go higher, then of course that's totally fine as well. What's the point of these ideal scenario diagrams? They never help me, in my opinion. Like literally, I really don't know what that means. Like it looks so mysterious. But honestly, maybe it does work sometimes, but it never always works. That's nothing with trading always works. Because otherwise you would have a 100% win rate. But honestly, don't know what this 8:30 said. 10 a.m. is here. So if we're bullish, I think he's bullish. Then 10 a.m. is going to be the expansion higher. It is 10 a.m. expansion higher. 8:30 did trade lower. Let me open it one more time. 8:30 traded lower. Wait, what? Or maybe these are like cross. So 8:30 trades lower. This crosses. It trades lower again, but then we didn't take the low. I honestly don't know. Yo, what platforms do you use? I only trade on TopstepX. We are in the breaker. I want to see it go fast from here. Okay. Do we have anything here though? To me, honestly, this would be a trade. If we close above this. And I'll take it as well. We sweep the equal lows. Risk to work would be terrible. But it is. It would be my trade. But yeah, maybe it does look really bad from here. Maybe this looks like a really big TP. Or like a really far TP, but it wouldn't also surprise me if we just trend all the way higher and then literally go to I don't know where. But I hope it doesn't close above, because I want to get a better entry. But otherwise the risk would be one contract only. The concepts. Are you asking if I'm new to trading or smart money concepts? I wouldn't say Marcus is new to the concepts. If he is funded. Accumulating again. Okay, so they didn't close above, that's a good thing. They just take equal lows, but there are no inversion here, so I would still wait. Do like the displacement lower. Also, if we close below this on NQ, then that would make me more confident that we want to go to these lows, but still I'm bullish. Yeah, we did have the SMT here. ES already closed below this SIBI here. Taking out the equalize as well. This would be my setup if I was bearish, but I'm bullish. Do respect it still on NQ. Miss Nobody, you already, what are you looking for? Oh yeah, for, wait, you were waiting for a silver bullet, right? Would this be your silver bullet, or do you also want to see like the equal low swept? If you create a SIBI here and then close above that SIBI, and that would also be my trade. 5, 4, wait, did we create a SIBI here? Yeah, we did. 1, if we do close above, and that would be my trade. Then I'm not even looking for the lows here. Nice displacement. I used to study a lot of ICT, did core content and 2022 mentorship. I have a one-on-one mentor, so don't listen to ICT constantly whining anymore. I'm lucky to be in the position I am, to be honest. Nice, man. Wait, who is your mentor? I don't know if I asked before, but... if we do close above that SIBI now, then that wouldn't be my setup. I think the concepts are great, but I really can't get on with this video format. It can be halved in no time. Yeah, I agree with you. Like the concepts are, and not just the concepts, but like the story around it as well. Like it's not just the concepts. Like I don't even care if ICT stole it from Wyckoff with the market maker models, but I think he makes the best story around it as well, and that's just maybe even the best thing for me. But literally, like what you said, the concepts can be taught within halftime, maybe even a quadrant of that. Quadrant? What am I saying? Like what is it? Is it a quadrant? I don't even know. A quarter of that. A quarter. Like he could be explained so much better than ICT himself. Because I know it will be a high risk. Because I know it will be a high resistance liquidity run, so I'm looking for something above the breaker. Okay. Was this also above the breaker, right? The BISI there. Yeah, honestly, I don't trade the unicorn model anymore, but like this would also be a unicorn. Or no, wait, actually, you have to... yeah, that also didn't make sense for me. Like the highest up close candle would be the breaker. So on the 50 minute, it would be this candle. On the... or that's a 5 minute. On the 50 minute, it's this candle. On the 5 minute, it's... what is it? This candle. On the 1 minute, it's this candle. But what then overlaps with the breaker? Or the BISI, I would say. Like nothing here. Like this isn't the breaker on the 1 minute. 2 minute also isn't. The 4 minute it is. Or 3 minute it is. 4 minute isn't. 5 minute it isn't. And on a 50 minute it would be. I have a private mentor from South Africa. We met on other traders stream one day, and he's been helping me for a year now. It does sound so stupid, I know it doesn't feel We're real saying that. Though, I don't know. What sounds weird about it? Really, it doesn't sound weird at all. The 50-minute one before the drop. Yeah, I would also think that this was the breaker. But then this would be the unicorn model. Which I wouldn't say it felt yet, of course. But this would be the unicorn model. And I think the stop is then where would people have to stop. Also, I know some people have it below the breaker. Some people have it below the... what else? Like the order block. Opening, order block mean threshold. Just that a successful person would help me for free for over a year. Usually people are paying thousands for this type of help. Just bless. Yeah, man. Wait, what's our setup here? Nope. Are you gonna target preview to stay high in that case? Me? No, I'm not taking the unicorn model. I'm only taking the inversion and it didn't show up yet, so I'm still waiting. Would you guys see this as the second stage distribution here? This run. Would you guys see this as the second stage distribution? For me, yeah, honestly, not clear. So otherwise, it would be a trade, but I don't know, not clear to me. I would say this is first stage distribution this year. Trade lower inside of this busy, trade higher, now accumulate again, but then we should trade higher and then, I don't know. And on a bigger time frame, like you could see this as this is the smart money reversal. Then this whole thing is the first stage distribution or the first stage of accumulation. And then the first stage of distribution would be here. And then again, yeah, that would be on a way bigger time frame, but that could also be like, then that would be the first stage distribution. I see AMD on daily, we're in bearish weekly FEG2 and we still haven't taken sell side liquidity. I see AMD on the daily. Weekly FEG, we're holding that, yeah. For me is we actually closed above this 2-week one, singular one in this leg. Close above this 2-week one. First target is going to be this high, the all-time highs, but ES already took it. But yeah, we're still, from the bigger time frame, we're still really bullish. So I'm not calling tops in bullish markets, even though shorts would be more fun. But yeah, I would still look for longs. But we didn't take September low. September low. We're in a bearish weekly, and we still haven't taken sell side at 18th of September. It's low. Yeah, we do have all those clean lows there, but I don't know, I think that would be a stage of accumulation in the market maker style model then. Like this would be the first stage accumulation, second stage accumulation. I don't know when the reversal is going to be. I don't think these are necessary. Did just take this really clean sell side here. But with bullish market structure alone, I'm still bullish. Yeah, same for me. But yeah, would you guys see this as second stage distribution? This run here, this small run here. Like I want to know it. Like, what do you guys think about it now? Not when it just ran all the way here. And then, of course, I would say that's second stage distribution as well. Yeah, this also looks like it could be this 5 minutes. This could also be the first stage accumulation or first stage distribution as well. Yeah, wouldn't be the first stage or second stage for me. I've made up my answer. So then all the equal lows are still my target. We also have equal lows below here on ES. So if we take those as well and then form the IVG setup, then that's a trade for me as well. They just generate these highs here. Yo, Doslo, what's up, man? Please elaborate why you missed the weekly based on your 2-week time frame. Why you'd miss the weekly based on your 2-week time frame. What do you mean? Please elaborate why you missed the weekly based. How are you doing, Dasla? Are you trading today? Weekly FEG, yeah? Why I wouldn't look at it, you mean? Why I wouldn't look at it is because price is fractal, and I've seen it many times on smaller time frames. You said you wouldn't consider weekly. No, yeah, that's true, yeah. But I disagree, bro. Yeah, that's like that. Honestly, that's maybe sounds very weird, but I think price is fractal, and I only use singular FEGs, singular IFEGs, and to me it makes the most sense. And I've seen it happen on. I have so many data, like I'm really confident with it. Like it maybe doesn't work, but I'm really confident with it, and it makes the most sense to me because when we have a singular FEG, then all the time frames are aligned. So we have a weekly here, we have a weekly here. I make it a singular one. That would be the 2-week one here, and we close above it. So, and yeah, also it makes no sense. What am I saying? It makes no sense to me. Like everyone is saying, use the 1 minute, 5 minute, 50 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. But it makes so much sense to me. Why wouldn't I use all the other data that is out there? Like, it makes so much sense to me. But that's of course personal, man. That's of course personal. Time will tell. Yeah, man. If it's wrong, then it's totally fine because it still worked. Because if we close above this, then first, like above a 50 minute, if we close above it, then that would be my intraday shift. And that would for me, that would be the target, would be, what is this? Would be the first swing high, which on ESRE is taken. So that already worked for me. But yeah, now I do want to see it because I'm still bullish. I do want to see it still act as support. So this would be an IFEG as well, yeah. And then on ES we closed above this like way before, I think. which was here. I was already, like everyone is saying, nah, I don't want to be that guy, but from here, the close above here, I was really confident with all-time highs, even though we were, yeah, maybe it didn't look like it, but just because of the IFEG. Like I was so confident with it, and look at this holding as well. Yeah, yeah. All right, so those are the equal lows. It's definitely the 1050 macro again. We're stuck in the opening range gap. Yeah, really could be, yeah. But it doesn't matter for me if the setup forms now, because we took the equal lows, then that's a trade for me. But it does, yeah, I do need to see even this low. Oh. Yeah, this is not enough. And this price action on the bigger time frame was so clean. It was so like honestly really nice to see. Also here, like I really like the rejection block here, where we had the what was it, 2-week one, I think. I don't even know what it was. I think it was a 2-week one. But here, I was asking in Discord as well. Here, this one here, we closed above that. What was it? I don't know if it was that time. No. Where was it? I think on ES at the time. Yeah, weekly. Okay, so on the weekly on ES we were still holding the BISI here, and NQ traded all the way lower, which we were at the time. We were like here, and like I knew, like of course you're never always right, but I can know some things and still be wrong, of course. But in this case I knew that this reject block was gonna hold because we like color outside the lines, and then this wick would be the support of it going higher again, and we got like a beautiful reaction out of that. Like honestly, that's so satisfying to watch and see. Yeah, that happened. But yeah, you guys probably know the feeling. Look, bro, I'm gonna leave you to it. I would like to catch up with you over the weekend to discuss our strategies. Look forward to, yeah, me too, man. Me too. We'll definitely do that in the weekend. There must be sometime there. This looks really choppy though still. I'm waiting a few more minutes for a macro as well. If he's still chopped, then it's nothing for me. I'm still looking for these equal lows now, because we swept this low, but this low swept this low, and this low swept this low. So we just swept one low, and I need 2 lows. So again, create equal lows here. Have still the equal lows here, equal lows here. Over Discord call? Yeah, Discord. Yeah, I still need to see it go lower before we go higher. Oh. That would also be, I think, a really good unicorn model or unicorn entry. I know maybe some people are taking entry there. I don't know, but that's where I want to see it reverse off of as well. let's see. I extend the macro with 5 minutes, so 9:45 I would already... that would also be better. What a price action. Holding is 5 minute here as well. Have you ever used flowcharts for your backtesting sessions? It's just easier to track scenarios based on how price moves. Flowcharts. I don't even... No, I'm not using it. I'm looking up what it what it is. Oh, those are flowcharts. In the Netherlands we call it a stroomdiagram. But have you ever used easier track scenarios based on how price moves? Maybe that's a good idea actually. I like Bookmap as well. I've downloaded that, but I honestly don't even know how I didn't even know what to look for. Like I couldn't even find the NQ, or honestly don't know how it works, but I've never used Bookmap. You create a flowchart based on a scenario. For example, we sweep, yes or no, Let's make one over the weekend. Honestly, that I have to make many of them. Then I would have to make like so many. But yeah, maybe that's a cool idea. Not connected. Trade simulator. Okay. Okay. If you do trade higher, but again, no trade for me here. I don't really want to see ES to take those equal lows. No. Yeah, for my setup, it does have to. Sweep. Yeah, one was being generous, bro. I'll help you. Don't worry. Alright. Yeah, that's honestly equal idea. Alright, so there are the equal highs. So it's 44 now, or 45. Still nothing for me. ICT was long as well. It's on a 15-second chart. Ooh. Yeah, I really want to see what we do here. Last few minutes. if ES takes the lows and then have an SMT at the lows, then that would be really good. And then A to B like standard deviation. But we'll see. Huge wick here as well. Are you long yet, Miss Nobody? You think ICT is working on Robin's account? Let me see how many contracts he's in. Wait, let me go back. It's not here. ICT. Oh, what the hell? ICRT. Where is it? Was it live or video? I think a live. Or is he still live? Or is it on Twitter? Oh yeah, it must be on Twitter. Yeah, okay. I'm learning, boys. I'm learning. 15 contracts. I don't know, could be. But am I actually thinking that it is on his Robin's account? No. Oh, there's also full TP there. How many? I don't know what his profit was then. 5, 9, 15. Let's say you got filled around here. 20, 330. Like 50. 50 times. I'm not even gonna calculate it. I think I don't think it's actually on his Robin's Cup account. I don't want to get stuck in this high resistance, even if I'm right. High resistance. If you trade off probabilities, why would you think ICT is actually going to do well on a Robin account? No probability. I'm sorry. Yeah. If you yeah. If ICT was like ICT winning the Robin's account, like in the beginning, I had if it was like a setup in the beginning, I was like 50-50, 50% still good win rate. I was like 50-50. Later in the year, it just went lower and lower. And like he uploaded, I was watching a stream of his, and he was in a trade, and that was like he was in a trade and literally went lower, like all the way. Let's say it was this high, and he literally showed the executions, and 10 seconds later he closed the stream, and he just said 10 seconds before he turned on the executions, and you saw that he got filled with 46 contracts at the high, and we were trending all the way lower. So that would be like a crazy profit. But I really thought that was for his Robin's Cup account, because that made sense, of course. And then the Robin's Cup leaderboards got updated like 1 month later, and ICT wasn't there, and that's just how I knew that it wasn't for his Robin's Cup account. So honestly, from there it was just no, I don't think he's gonna win. Because why otherwise would you take the trade on a paper trade account? But yeah. Again, I have all these equal lows still. Wow. Do you actually believe he is capable, or is he trolling? Do you actually believe he is capable, or is he trolling? Or am I trolling, you mean? Or is he actually capable? How would he benefit unless he's deranged? Like, honestly, that would... Yeah. He would benefit, like, all the people. He would get the attention. Like, I know he lost the attention. And then everyone would come to him. He would learn, but... Yeah, everyone wants to come to him then, and they want to learn from him. It would be good for his socials then, like the attention, like mostly. But do I actually believe he's capable of trading? I thought in the beginning he was, but now I definitely think he can. No, he cannot trade, but like I think he can get some good setups. But I think his psychology is just like the like one of the worst there can be. He also is like bipolar, and I think that really messes up his trading, I think. Like, of course you can't, like, even ICT, I really believe even he, if he could trade, like, even he can get a 100% win rate, so he also takes some losses. And if he takes losses, then I think he just can't stop, and then just revenge trades, like literally do all the things that are bad. But if he's a man of God, negative attention on purpose is a sin. Yeah, also, I don't even know if he's a man of God, but he does always talk like it. Negative attention on purpose is a sin. So if he's lying about how strong he is about the religion, he'd lie about trading in a heartbeat, yeah. It's just crazy, honestly. You are right, though. Alright, so these equal lows are definitely a target. So this as a standard deviation, and a to B leg breaker. That could be what I've been waiting for. Oh my god. Yeah, but just I was waiting for the end of December. But really, it's not there anymore. Okay, let's see. So it did stab into that low. Created not a 2 minute yet. Just waiting now. Bit more of waiting. Those are the equal lows. How long was this? 55 minutes. Wow. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still 1 more minute. If this candle closes and we create a SIBI here, and then yeah, this candle closes, creating the SIBI here, and we close above, that would be my entry. I have to be a skeptic with the amount of things that are out there, but again, his concepts are working for me, so who gives it? Yeah, that's true. Like in the end, if he will lose the Robbins Cup, I'm not 100% sure, but I am pretty sure. Like I would say 90%. But it would be so bad for him. Like honestly, like he really did set his self up for failure, and like honestly, like he is. I don't know how he can talk so confident, and not just for like once, like a thing you do when you're drunk or something. Like literally, he does it. He did it all like this whole year. He did it. Like how can you be so confident? Be so confident in your like abilities, and then just not do it, and like you almost know like you can't do it. Like how can you be so confident and speak about it and like not do it? Honestly crazy. But yeah, in the end, like everyone he probably would lose like a lot of subscribers, like not gonna lie. He would be like known in the trading industry forever, like that crazy guy. Or you're learning from him, the guy that failed Robbins Cup, like again, like you're learning from that crazy guy. But still, in the end, his concepts do work. Like the narrative around the whole concepts work, even though if it's stolen from Wyckoff or all the other things, like he put them together, he gave a story around it, like still that's something that he did really well. But yeah, that other thing, that's that's just, I'll be an ICT trader, I will still be the ICT trader. But yeah, his concept works, like yeah. But am I gonna recommend learning from him? No. You have to back up your talk in this word, or you be humbled. I hope he does, but I probably not. Yeah, same for me. This is going to be a trade, by the way. This is what I've been waiting for the entire session. 7. I think it's going to be 7%. 7 contracts risk. Yeah, that will be 7. Stop, second lowest candle. What time frame is this? 2 minutes. Otherwise it's 6 if we are higher than that. Still in the right time? Yeah, also. Okay, let's see here. It's gonna be my setup. 3, 2, 1. No closure above, so no trade. So still waiting 2 more minutes at least. Singular FEG, so 1 minute we have one here, another one here, 2 minute. That would all the charts or time frames would be aligned here, so that would be my entry if we close above, because that would disrespect ignore the idea of disrespect the idea of us going lower. Trade 1-1. No, this would be if we close above here, then I would already target. Oh, this is the one. That's a pretty good risk reward, but 1-1 would be my break even in this case, because this is beyond a 1-1 RR. If like this is the external high here, and if that's beyond the 1-1 RR, like let's say there was 0.8 RR, then that would be my break even. But because it's above a 1-1 RR, this will be my break even, and then I at least need to take a 1-2 first TP, or inside a 1-4. So that would be first TP. So this is a 1-5-8, so I can't have that as first TP. So first TP is going to be a 1-2 fixed risk or fixed reward. And then full TP is probably going to be this high. 75% will go off at a 1-2 then. But we didn't close above, so no trade. But yeah, I do like the low swept here. But yeah, just one thing remained. One thing I was waiting for, and we didn't get it, so no trade here. And this respected it. Beautiful here. Didn't even have to zoom in that much, but still. And yeah, no closure above. This would be my stop. Doesn't mean that it won't work or will work. But wait, how are you trading TopStep Combine on TradingView? No, I'm not. I'm just using this as my risk, so I know how much risk to use. Like, I have a paper trade account. Like honestly, I don't. Wow. Wait, this is on the wrong account. I almost messed up here. Would it be also 7 here? Oh wait, what? How is that even possible? How is it? Wait, what? How is this 7? Oh no, that was a market, of course. No. But I have the TopstepX account on paper trade. Paper trade. This is set to a 50k as well. So with this, I know that this high will be if I put my stop there, then that would be 0.5% risk, and that's the same on my TopStep, because that's also 50k. Have you hidden the rest of the TopstepX interface? Yeah, that makes it clean, like on the screen. It's here though. Here, that's on my other screen, but it just makes it clear. Clean, I mean. Same thing. Check your Discord, that's how I work mine out. In the my Discord or the DM. Alright, so that would be stop if I enter there. Doesn't mean that it will work now, or yeah, that's just hindsight, of course. And now this setup would be not valid anymore because we sweep one low. I at least need to see 2 equal lows. In the indices channel, what? Oh yeah, oh what? Well, that's actually, but then you would know, yeah, that's honestly, like, I want to be, my trades can be pretty quick, I would say, like on the minute, like it could be, issue my setup could form in like 3 minutes. And then I have to also check everything. Okay, is this the right time? Is this, yeah, this checks. Okay, yeah. Like if everything checks, and then I actually have to take the trade as well. Like if I need to calculate it, then there will probably be a missing setup then. Like I want to do it just for, I don't know why, but I am only trading NQ and ES, but I want to make it so I can literally do it the same thing on, if I wanted to trade Forex, I can. Like for NQ and ES, of course, you have to know like the point size, tick value, point value, if you want to calculate your risk. And I just want to have, I want to make it, I don't know, this maybe is even harder, but for me it's simpler. It's quicker to look at a tracker than input numbers into TopStep. I'm not doing it on TopStep calculator. Like if I was gonna take this setup here on, if I was gonna take this setup on TopStep, I have this set to 50k. I'm trading on a TopStep 50k. I just put this thing on. Okay, my stop is gonna be here. If we close above, I want to risk 0.75%. Oh, 0.75%. Okay, 10 contracts. I put it into TopstepX, 10 contracts. If you close above, then market execution, that is it. It's not a like it calculates for me. I've literally have to put in 2 numbers. Like maybe it doesn't make sense, but that's personal, I would say. Do we have anything here? Yeah, we did sweep equal lows. But yeah, like I said, like I want to do it on literally Forex as well. Like yeah, I don't think the numbers or tick values or point values or pip values are necessary then. Like here, for example, like if you close above, I'm gonna pre-risk it or pre-calculate it. 8 contracts. And put it into trading or TopStep. So I know 8 contracts, that's it. And no closure above, so no trade. But yeah, that's it. Like, I think it looks fairly simple. Or is it really, does it really look hard? I don't know if it, because it's personal, of course. That would be break even. Is it? Yeah, that would be break even. If we take this on ES, then that's no trade. And then I'm gonna close the charts here and come back to the PM session. That's fair. I'm just proud of my pretty tracker. It's really pretty. It is. Let me check it again. Oh yeah, I deleted it. Wait, I can look it up. NQ ES risk point. Yeah, risk. Values. Okay, I don't know. Look like it. Okay, can't find it. Did you take any trades? No, not yet. Maybe this one. Honestly, if this is going to be another doji candle, I'm not going to take the trade anymore. And if ES takes the high here, this high, then I will also won't take the trade anymore. And then I'm done for the AM session. Still, it's going to be 8 contracts risk if you do close above on this. All right, that's an entry. Well, I'm filled pretty high. What the hell? Oh, that's 1 minute. Oh yeah, I'm filled good here. So that's already a break-even trade. Because ES took the high there. First target is going to be the 1 and 2. This beyond the 1 and 4. Which are all equal highs. So 1 and 2 would be first CP. And my stop's already at break even, so it's okay. You won't find it. I made it because I couldn't find anything like it. Oh, that's pretty cool. High resistance liquidity run. Yeah, honestly, honestly don't care. If my setup forms, then it forms, and I take the trade. Yeah, honestly don't care. Like everything met. We have the equal lows that I want to see the entire session. We swept equal lows on this. We have the inversion, displacement. Like yeah, everything met. It's just waiting now. If it's a break even, then come back the PM session. If it's W, then yeah, W. And then I will take 75% off at the 1 and 2, which would be 6 contracts. And let the rest run to this. Which is, let me copy the price. Is this the model? Yes, this is the model I'm backtesting. I don't know where. 2282.25. And then 2482. Wait, what? Oh, that's the full TP. Wait, hold up. That's first TP, which is 243525. I think it's pretty cool that I set it up this way, so you guys can watch this too. I'll just, if we're like near that, I'll put my order there. CPI high. I think. Yeah, I see this as all equal highs, so these are all my targets, not just this high. I want to see us run through this high and then go for this. Because like support and resistance traders, I honestly don't know how they draw their boxes, but this would be their resistance zone, and if it comes up there, then they will go long, and yeah. If it respects that, then they go short again, but honestly don't know where that is, but yeah. Went long on yes at 5820. Wow, crazy entry, man. What the hell? Literally at the bottom of the candle there. Nice, man. When are you aiming to be funded? No deadlines, man. No deadlines. Just letting time do its thing. If the universe thinks I'm ready, then I will be funded. And if the universe doesn't think I'm ready, it will take longer. No deadlines. Yeah, this looks really clean. Like we should go for the highs. Like literally accumulated all this morning. Like this is this is honestly so beautiful. Look at this, like the liquidity, and then this turtle soup. That's so pretty. That's honestly so pretty. Like I love it. Here. Sell side liquidity, create structure, turtle soup the structure, then actually go. Yeah, it's something that just, I don't know, it's so obvious. And we should just run now, like no any retracements. If you do get like any more retracements, then it will be probably stay inside of that range again. I'm going to see us break out of the range now, actually. Already this job, that's not good. Or we should get like one big candle like this one. Like have a chop here, like literally bull flag. Like accumulation here, and then literally this candle. I get your mindset of no deadlines, but don't tell yourself you need to wait for the universe to show you're ready. You're ready, bro. I saw you're funded by at least end of the year or latest Q1 2025. Yeah, honestly, that's honestly like I really appreciate that you're saying that, but yeah, I'm just saying, yeah, honestly, I really don't know it. Like, I would say if I put the if I really want myself to be funded end of this year, like I have it written down on my whiteboard here behind me as well. Like I have some goals written down, 1 to 10 steps and 1 to 5. Like the first one is pass my my TopstepX account. The second one is get a payout of $500. The third one is have a nice dinner with my girlfriend from my payout. The fourth one is second account passed. The fifth one is get a payout of 1,000, and then those are the first 5 ones. And then after those ones are like bigger numbers, but I put a line at 5 or under 5, so we need the payout of 1K, because that's like being realistic. Like I still think it can be possible, but if I'm not ready, then I'm not ready, and that's something like I can't decide. But yeah, actually the bull flag here. I'm gonna put the what is it? 2435.25. 435.25. Gonna put a what is it? A sell limit of 6 contracts there. Wait, sell limit. Yeah, sell limit there. And then one more 6 contracts there. Okay. So that will be first TP. Surround yourself with confident and successful people, and you'll see the progress exponentially increase. You're always ready. Wow. Those are some nice words, man. Thank you. Yeah, honestly, that's what I really try to do. Like, really in my area where I live, like, I found 2 people which were like friends of mine in high school. I really didn't really talk to them, but was always really good with them. And those are the only two people in the city where I live which have like 20k people, not that much, but still. Two people. I have actual friends as well, but they not really do anything, don't have the same mindset. So went back, or not went back, like I would say the universe brought us together. And friends with those two people as well. One does, or one has an agency, and the other one also is busy with trading. Like honestly, blessed with those guys. But I really try to surround myself with same like-minded people, successful people. Like the communities on Discord, try to join literally everything. Try to stay open-minded. Literally try to ask everyone like what are they doing, like how are they doing, like yeah, everything. That's great to hear. Yeah, man. We got a blue ball on this trade, still still waiting. And if it reverses and stops near break even, then yeah, so be it. Just another great W because every rule was met, and kept every rule. Yeah, beautiful setup. My mother is calling. 1 second. Let me mute myself. Headset. The what is it? The groceries are all right. Now it works in. What was I saying? Yeah, my mother was calling. Their groceries are about to get delivered. But also I was saying, like Marcus, really appreciate what you said. Like I say, you're funded by at least end of year or latest Q1 2025. I really appreciate it, man. Honestly, thank you. Well, I don't know what this is, but maybe another, hopefully another bull flag. Huh? Do an SMT at the highs, I think. Yeah. For real, gotta go now, or I'll never get stuff done. I'll PM you. Yeah, man. That's good. I'll see you. Gonna set an alert because I'm gonna do something to waste my time. It should run now. In a game of Clash Royale to waste my time. The guy gave up. But yeah, with my deck I would give up too. What are we doing? Three stars. Bro, what are we doing? What time is it? 7:23. When was the high? 11:15, 11:16, 11:15 on the S. Beautiful. That's honestly beautiful. Wow. I extend the macro with 5 minutes, so the for the lows. So the what is it? The 10:50 to 11:10 macro would be 10:45 till 11:15. Again, prints higher. I'd rather see it stop me than be stuck in profit. I really like if first TP gets hit, like I'm really confident with the previous day high drawn liquidity. I really think they want to go way higher, so don't really mind. The the market being really slow. Like I'm really confident with us just like we did everything we needed to do to go higher. Like we had all the lows, we ticked the lows, we have a turtle soup at the lows, now we have full displacement higher, we have a clean draw on liquidity, which are all these equal highs and even higher in my opinion. Like yeah, literally I think we're just like maybe again same thing as yesterday, something like it maybe. Like literally just go higher but really slow, have some consolidation, but overall really bullish. I don't really care what we do. At least the first TP would be fine for me. I'm really confident with the draw on liquidity, so if it doesn't matter how long it will take, but I do think it's going to be today. And
order filled.
Bang. Nice. So that's TP hit. And then I'm letting 2 contracts run to this here. And then I'm even more bullish than that, but I'll be content with enough there. So yeah, nice trade. Full TP is at this high. I'm gonna go offline. I'm gonna eat dinner. Great trade. Great analysis. Great patience. Yeah, great trade. Amazing. Stops at break even, which is at this here. I'm filled exactly on this candle, I think. Let me check. Wait. I didn't even take the 1 and 2 actually. Wait, what? There's no way. There's no way. Okay, so full TP. That's actually crazy. By my rules, full TP would be at this high, or this would be first TP, this high here, because that's inside of that 104 RR. So be it. Wow. So be it. You did a great job. Thank you, man. W. Yeah, nice. Did you take any trades, Paul? Wow, that's so crazy. How did I mess that up? But okay. Oh, I really have to go. The groceries are here. Thank you guys for watching. I really have to go. Thank you guys. See you in the PM session, hopefully.